What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Obviously I haven't put any videos up for quite a while now, probably 6 months, something like that, since you last seen the last video from me with the car. So I just thought I'd give you a bit of an update on where I'm at with the car and let you see sort of the semi-finished product. So obviously the last video you've seen, it was on a flatbed going up to a body shop north of me, and they were going to start on, putting the primer down, because I failed at that, and putting the finishing touches to the paintwork and stuff. As you remember, just a whistle stop, took it down to bare metal, add new metal put in it, made it all right, new seals, everything else, bought a new steel cowl hood and everything. The car's been painted now, so I'm going to show you that in a second. I'm really happy with it. It's exactly how I wanted it to turn out. The paint is a custom colour, which I'll show you in a second, but yeah, it's going really well. The car's now drivable, it's back on the road. I am having loads of fun with it. So yeah, let's show you it. So there she is. Don't know how well you can see in the light, it is pretty sunny, but it's also dark at the same time. It's weird, you can't see like the front of it and that. So that's the car. I'll just do a quick walk around of it and see what you think. Don't know how well it's picking it up in this light, but it's a black with just fistfuls of candy red metal flake in it. So in the shade like that, it looks black. When you take it out, obviously up in the sun, it just pops and it looks like a cherry red. It's absolutely beautiful. So that's it. So as you can see, we've got the steel cowl hood on now. The original is there. It was just too far gone. It had ripples and everything in it, and I wanted to change, so we went for the cowl hood style, and it doesn't half suit the car. Still got the Z28 body kit on it and spoiler and everything else, and obviously the wing vents and stuff, but it's just more me now. So yeah, all new suspension, new exhaust including remote cutouts. Obviously the interior is all done now. New speaker system, stereo system. Yeah, so that is the car. Hope you like it. Obviously got the LED halos in it. Some things I have done, so got it back on the road. Started to, obviously ripping it, and found out that third gear was just slipping. So took the gearbox out, took it up to John Sleeth Race Cars near me, where it's about an hour away from me. He rebuilt the box. It is a TH350. He rebuilt the box. New shifter as well, in case you didn't see that. Yeah, he rebuilt the box. I put a new torque converter in it, the 3200 stall. And yeah, it's going like a good one. Just trying to see if I can catch that in, that fleck. You can't really pick it up on the video. Maybe a little bit on the spoiler there. If you can see that there going red. Cherry. What I'll do is I'll put some videos, I'll embed some videos of what it looked like when it was getting sprayed, so you can see the actual cherry in it. But yeah, it's a proper 70s street machine, just exactly how I wanted it. High in the rear, all new suspension, big fat mates on the back, just mint. So yeah, as I was saying, so regarding the box and stuff, so I got the car back from the the body shop and everything. Obviously I'd had it off the road for well over a year, so it was off the road in total with the body shop and everything about a year and a half, 18 months. Just no good, just really wanted the car back, and I didn't want to miss summer. Thankfully I haven't. I've had it back on the road now a couple of months and really enjoying it. So I took it up and down, give it some rips, been to some car shows, been to a bunch of different places in it. And like I said, the gearbox was kaput on it, so it's had a full new rebuild, new torque converter in it, which is really woke it up. I've also put a locker in the back in the diff as well, so it's now you know, it's now got both wheels at the back spin rather than just one tyre fires, and it has really woke it up. Like first, second gear, you can just spin from whatever throttle you just mat your foot and it just spins. It's like absolutely awesome. I've done some other bits and pieces. I don't know if you know full engine dress up kit. It already had a cam on it and alloy heads and stuff like that. Put a new alloy radiator in it, air cleaner, everything really. It's just a really good, usable, pretty fast small block Chev now, so I'm really happy with it. The cut out to make a world of difference as well. I have got the Flowmaster Flow Effects stainless steel mufflers on the back. It's true duals 2.5s all the way out, but I did put, sorry about that. Hey, my little guy wanted to get in on the action. I did put exhaust cutouts in, which really woke it up. Obviously, as you've seen as well, I was walking through, I put a B&M Quicksilver in it as well. It's like the console one, so it fits in with the console nice. You know, and there's no nasties or nothing that just sits there and looks out of place. The old one, it had like the stock Camaro ratchet shifter in it, which come from the factory, where you sort of move it to the right and then you ratchet it, but you could just roll through the gears. It was knackered. So fitted one of them, and it's just, everything is just mint on it now. Everything is just great. Really happy with the way it's turned out. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start doing, you know, a bit more videos and everything now. Now it's back on the road properly. I'll be doing some more videos on it, getting out, hopefully doing some, you know, maybe some draggy tests or something like that. Maybe taking it to York, Melbourne Raceway, see how we get on. We've got there's a bunch of people who go there locally, who sort of race and, you know, do like Run What You Brungs and other categories and stuff. So that'd be pretty cool to see. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you around it, what the car looks like now. And what I'm going to do now is I'll just drop in some videos of the process of how it sort of started to where it is now, and I'll also show you the some pictures and videos of the fleck in the paint and you know, that custom colour, because it is like a black and red custom colour, but then it's had like tinted black lacquer over the top, clear, with and like other clear on top of it with mittfuls of like I say, the metal flake from DNA, and then more clear on top of it, so it's a nice thick, so you can polish it for weeks and like you're never going to get through back to the primer. So I'm really happy with that, and that was done by Performance Northeast, like I said, up near me. So yeah, perfect. Right, I'll drop the videos. Please like and subscribe. This channel's going to start taking off again. I'm going to start trying to upload a bit more regular now. So yeah, if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, give us a thumbs down. Let us know in the comments what you think of the car, and what you want to see from it. And yeah, catch you in the next one.